Hello guys, welcome to my next video. In this video I will show you how to do while loop, okay, in Python. Let's start by assigning a one variable I equals to 1 and while I is less than equals to 5. Now we will print the I value. Okay, and we will give the how much loop should be repeated, because if you will not give this means I plus 1, then it will be go on printing 5, because 1 is always less than 5. It will go and print. Okay, so I'm increasing the value one by one, and unless that condition is false, that program will jump out. Okay, now we will print the message done. And I will give you in the link in the description that how to set up the Visual Studio in Python. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 done. Okay, and to make the program a little bit more interesting, so we will add some stars. Okay, star. Okay, now save the program, run the program. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 and down. Okay, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe my video.